We don't. We tap that and just almost instantly pull back and then just little falls all the way down.
Damn.
We tapped that 25, well, it's a 4 hour level, 25.04.225.
Bro, there was more movement on Asia
Yeah.
than yesterday, than the whole
Well,
day.
yeah, it was a bank holiday.
Damn.
So if we continue to drop, we're gonna we're gonna sweep this London low at 24,584, which will sweep this swing low, which will be 559. If we keep dumping, obviously 24,480 would be where your gap kind of starts. I hate drawing new week opening gaps because it's hard to draw them sometimes when you have these kind of big gaps. Oh, Top Step halted trading yesterday, which is wild. Trading View has been lagging all night
Why did they
and
halt?
all morning.
You said take
Top
profit?
Step halted.
Oh, top set.
No, Top Step.
Why was that?
When you have a certain move, certain size move, they don't do like circuit breakers, like 4% things. If there's too much volatility in the market for them, they'll halt trading.
Oh, damn.
Surprised they didn't halt it earlier. Yeah, but yesterday they halted trading yesterday at like, I don't know, 11:30, 12 o'clock, somewhere in there like that. They halted trading.
So Powell speaking today. I wonder if we reverse right now, just for whenever he speaks, we come back all the way to the top, or um, they're kind of already know what's gonna happen, and we're just kind of going down.
Yeah. I mean, to be honest, I think we keep dumping. We
Mm-hmm.
didn't quite get to where we didn't tap this gap. Like I said, we continue. If we can fall under the 560 level and then continue, then yeah, we're gonna keep going. But we got a lot of resting liquidity above us, and we're kind of just in the dead middle of it.
Yeah.
We got 713, 719, 746. I mean, we got layers of liquidity.
Order submitted.
And then you got Asia low and midnight open are stacked at 900.
Order submitted.
Damn, bro, I can't believe I had the freaking tap entry, dude.
Nice.
You can see it if you scroll back to that chart, you see the high that we had last night.
Yeah.
You can see where the retest was. Zoom back in like or zoom out like you just were.
Like that.
A little more. Yeah, you see, look, see that low right there?
Right here.
Um, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5 days ago?
Yeah, that was this right here.
Oh, I can't see. Where's your mouse?
Right here.
No, way left. That. See that low?
Yeah.
One up, two uploads where you have that 830 OT, 730 OT symbol on
Oh,
what is it?
we still haven't recovered.
October
Oh, that's
October 8th. October 8th.
and that was a prior yesterday high as well.
Oh, we broke through that shit. But I had wanted that level because on the 5 minute from Friday, if you look at Friday's fall, that was the only area that we pulled back from. That's where I had went short. That
Damn.
25.027 level. You can't see it because you don't have the other. Wait, what is this? Why can't you see Friday's dump? Oh,
Good question.
Yeah, how come you can't see Friday's dump?
Let me do this. There we go.
There you go. So you see where our top was last night. If you go to the 5 minute and you zoom out so you can see zoom in so you can see the candles. The other way.
Okay.
Yeah, so they see that pullback that we had at like 11:10 in the morning. Look at our high that we had last night. Look to the left.
Yeah.
That same area is where we had our pullback after the initial dump on Friday.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I was like, that's where I wanted to go all day yesterday. I was like, well, that's where we're gonna go. We didn't go there until freaking Asia.
So you was on that level right there.
I sure was. I'll send you the screenshots, bro. I was on them bitches all day.
You got to trade Asia.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Nice.
I made 900 something on my funding futures. One of my top steps, 750.
So are you looking today, New York as a new day, or
Hmm.
are you looking at New York as a new day?
Yeah. Usually anything after 6 a.m. I'm not really worried about because that's my London low. Once my London lows are put in, I don't care anything else. I do 6 to 12, 12 to 6. After that, anything that happens in between that other bullshit time is bullshit.
Give me a sec. I'm gonna grab a drink real quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my Starbucks too. I forgot it in the kitchen.
All right, I'm back. Morning, Lou.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
All right. This changed up. I started trading in my living room on the couch.
Oh, nice.
I got out of the bedroom office with her because I couldn't do it no more. And I don't know what it is, but my trading has significantly picked up.
Yeah. Hey, I get it.
So now I'm up to I fucked up my blue skies. Those are like a two-phase thing, so whatever. So 6 top 1s, 4.5 top steps. I still gotta pass his last top step. 3 funding futures and 3 my funding futures. Hopefully get those to pay out by this week. I was at a payout yesterday. I don't know what I did. Lou, I'm glad Lou's not here.
Lou's here.
I was up like 5 something, and then I ended up being down 5 something. I was like, how the hell? Oh, market's open.
Hey, congratulations, yo.
No, I fucked up. I didn't.
No, but you said you're close to it again, right?
Yeah. I'm close, but
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Congrats. Like you there.
I was like, yo, what am I doing? All right, let's see. We'll get this initial push. I don't want a fair value gap in there. Push. I don't want. Yeah, I don't like that fair value gap. Let's go touch that 627 area, and then we can fall. There we go. Push a little bit. Oh, okay. It's gonna go without us. Wait. Oh shit. Gotta open up my funded futures. Bing bong, bing bong. Those are up nicely too. It's gonna go without us. Son of a bitch. You suck. We keep dumping. We got 550 is the first stop, and then 532.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Let's go.
Thank you. First one. Next level I have is 531.50.
Stop filled.
Yeah, that was fast.
It appears someone is beast mode on a 1 minute opening break. Let's go. Targets filled. Done for the day.
See, 531.25. Come on. Hmm? What I tell you, sir? It's like a freaking.
I mean, it's just very simple. You know what I'm saying? It's just very, very simple.
Yeah, I just
The
didn't.
strategy.
I didn't want to leave this fair value gap up here at 626.50. I wanted it to come take that out.
1 minute ORB. Targets filled. Done for the day. Clean.
That's called
The best entry for this move, according to me, 569. You up? Who just came on? Who that
Yo,
boy?
yo, took
That
it, took
boy.
took
I
that
already
trade.
know. You don't even gotta say it.
Look, I entered at 84. I took profit at 60 though.
Let's get
let's
it.
go.
It's easy.
Man, look, I cried like a baby yesterday, man. Y'all know I lost 2 PAs yesterday.
Oh,
Holy.
oh.
Look, it
Talk
wasn't
about it.
it
Talk
wasn't
about
due
it.
to trading, man. I left a trade on with take profit trader. You can have a trade on past 5 o'clock, bro. I didn't know. Like I
Dang.
I,
Oh,
I didn't know that I left and I was up 900 some dollars on the trade. Didn't even take profit. I went to the gym. I'm sleep and my sleep trade still going on. So I woke up last night to trade the agent session like at 8 something. I'm in a fucking trade up 900 some dollars.
mm,
And bro, that hurted me. But I ain't tripping. I know I ain't losing due to trading, so I ain't tripping. So my mental not fucked up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
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 mm.
So
Yeah.
you won the
Yeah.
yeah. trade? Huh?
It was green on the trade, but they killed your account because you had a trade open.
Yeah, yeah. Had to trade open that. Yeah, take profit trader. You can
Bro,
have
these
a
some scammers. How you allow me to open the trade, but then
yeah.
me right trade be open.
Hey, y'all, check this out. So
There's your opening gap.
we gotta say a prayer. We gotta say a hymn for the two fallen soldiers. Dang. Nah, but for real, man. I know that sucks, bro. That's
Yeah, it sucked, but like I
it
said, as
sucks.
long as my mental's still there because I know I
Yeah.
didn't lose it from actually
Like he didn't do any dumb shit trading wise.
Wait,
yeah.
just
Yeah,
use it.
of
Just
course.
use it to
No,
build
there's
a
no
habit.
impact to your mental capital.
Yeah, there's
Use
no
it.
impact to my mental, so I can come in and still trade with like, I still got four, I still got my three apexes and
Mhm.
take profits, so I ain't tripping. So I'm just gonna grind and get the motherfuckers back.
Just use it as
Yes, sir.
a habit to build from. Just when you're done trading for the day, just go flat now on all the firms.
Yeah,
There
that's
you
what I'm
go.
gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to start
Hit that
flattening
button a few
all.
times.
Yep. Yo, so I don't know if y'all know, but yesterday for the I forgot what day was it? Was it Monday that we gapped up or something? But oh shit, hold on. Whoa. I'm in another trade. Oh shit.
You're out
Hold
of
on. I thought I was done. Wait, no. Come on. I did not know. Let's go ahead and we up crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and take that profit. Oh no. Don't do me that.
Help me, Lou. Help me, please.
That was stupid.
Yeah,
Very
just have
stupid.
a pre-market trading plan. You check news, you check this, you check that. At the end of the day, check this, check that, make sure everything's flattened.
Yep.
Yeah, man, that screwed me. That got me.
We're moving right now. So the only problem here is either bounce off this new week opening gap that we just tapped, or we just fall through it.
Man, that drop came in nice.
I forgot to button off my shit. That was so dumb. All right. Yeah, this is gonna be a annoying ass loss that I'm about to take. All right. That's fine. Shit. Annoying, annoying, annoying.
Hey, morning, family. How you doing?
All right, the fall begins.
Morning, morning, morning. How you doing, bro?
Hey, let's get it.
All right, we're in that gap, so let's see where we catch.
You in a trade right now?
I'm still in shorts.
Ooh.
We
Yeah,
ain't
all of
swept,
these.
we ain't swept shit. So my first area is 421. Bing bong. 421 is my first stop.
Yeah, these are all doing what I expected them to do yesterday. Coming up to that 618 and falling like this.
What?
Four two one, 422,
Oh,
421,
okay.
422.
Yeah. By the way, the if you look at the previous day low from yesterday for NQ and MNQ, it's like 50 points off or more. So I think
Okay.
the market needed to come fix that.
See if we can
So
get this.
yeah. Um,
422, 425 area. Get 430.
yeah.
Let's see where we're trying to bounce. See if we can keep it going. There we go.
Looking clean as hell.
All right. That's it. I'm
Okay.
done.
Done for the day?
Yeah, 1217.
Let's go.
Go back. Let me go make sure I cancel all orders.
Yep.
Right click, cancel all
Flatten.
orders. Okay.
Yeah, make
Um,
sure you do that shit.
yeah.
Mhm.
I usually flatten all replicanto, but when I click flatten all, it turns off all the algos. And I keep the algos on for like document purposes so I take screenshots for myself and document it just to
Yeah.
keep track of
Four
the data.
two. So 423, 420 was a breaker block area, by the way.
Uh,
It was that last little area before we had that 450 sell off on Friday.
yeah.
It's on a 1 minute. It's really hard to see, but
The algo is long now. But I'm not in these trades. But no, we're good.
so you probably bounced about 529, 530.
Okay. Targeting 505, but I think I'm gonna move the target down just because 11 4th fib. Okay. Or whatever. We're not copying anymore, so I think I'll let it run just to collect more data. So algo is targeting 505, although I think we reverse back down here. But that's all good. Yeah. This is what I thought would happen from this specific spot. That's like a nice 20-pointer. Yeah. That was the reversal spot. But we could put out Algo just took another. Okay. And there they go. Big push. 505. Okay, 499 and 505. I guess I can show y'all what I'm looking at. Y'all wanted to see it.
I'm done for the day, boys.
Okay.
What's that, fam?
All right.
I'm done for the day.
You tapping out?
Yeah, I'm already done.
All right, fam.
Yeah.
Good shit, bro. Good shit.
Yeah.
Went straight to where I wanted it. 423 breaker block low. There was a whale that came in apparently at like 430, dumped in at 450.
Yeah, just so y'all can see what I was
Order
talking about.
submitted.
So we took shorts here, and then we entered long here, into long targets 505, as I was saying. So when I said we'll reverse, I was talking about this move, and then we entered long, and then targets. So again, y'all know
I actually took the reverse. I closed
right
3
here?
contracts. Yeah. I closed. You know that.
946?
Yeah, that's what I trade. Yeah.
Yeah. And so y'all know this is my leader account. So what y'all always see is sim, but I replicate to all my accounts. So it just, so we took some losses here. We went short, took some targets, and then took some more targets. So leader is up. Well, y'all can. Yeah, but
Hey,
yeah, but so
You minus courtside seats?
what do you say?
You minus courtside seats?
Yeah. Yeah, we copied to one of my other accounts actually got slipped. But that's okay. So we took target and then now we're reversing. Okay, another one. That's fine. But I'm done for the day. I'm not even copying anymore, so I just let it run. But look, y'all see, this is how this thing works. Even though the stop is mad low, like I can put the stop down here. If we break this line, it's gonna take me out the trade. So the stop isn't really here. The stop is here, and I'll show y'all in real time. I actually hope this does not hit target because I want to show y'all this. Just so y'all can actually see it, how I had to set it up. So I'm gonna move the stop down even further, just so y'all can be like, oh, it didn't even hit it. Like, yeah, it doesn't. So if we break this level, then it will close out the trade. So y'all gonna see it. Please break it. And then it's gonna close out the trade, and that's gonna go short. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Yeah, I actually don't want this to hit a winner.
you gonna flex on us and accidentally make money not on
No, no, no.
You short? You short?
No,
You
no.
short on? You shorted that trade?
Well, that's what he did yesterday over here.
I didn't
Accidentally
make
making
sense,
money.
man.
I just need this to break. Yeah. No. Fuck. Come down. Maybe if I draw some arrows, it'll come down. No. What the fuck? Sorry.
That's a window. Hey.
You gotta bring out the hammer.
You got to blow on it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Come on, come down. Don't hit target. Come down. Please.
Fuck that. Hit
Please,
target. Hit
no.
target. Hit target.
No.
We need
Come
to,
down.
We need to hit up Martin real quick.
But I got you. Let me go long.
Fuck, man.
Let me go long. It'll pull back.
Drop.
That boy Dub.
Nah, dead ass. It's gonna work though.
Yeah.
Please drop.
We're gonna pull back right here. 493.
No, I was gonna hit target. What the fuck? No.
What's your target? So I know when to close my longs.
516. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I was trying to hit the.
First TP.
I was trying to show y'all how the stop works, but
220 on the other fundeds times 5. Thank you.
short target, long target, long target. That's just all right. Entry, another entry, 2 targets, another entry. Took some heat, didn't break the level. Target, and now we're busting. All right. Well, I was trying to show
Order
y'all
filled.
the thing, but that's fine.
Damn, Lou. I'm gonna have to hop on that plane, huh? I'm gonna hop on that jet. I'll bring my extra and I'll just leave it at your house, all right? Run the algo there. It's my kids' 529 plan.
This is so my internet is
Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you about that. Yo, my internet went out 2 weeks ago, right? They couldn't figure the shit out. Well, I'm assuming your modem is pretty newer, but I went to my modem and I went to the support page and it said that device was dead. Literally, it said software dead.
Wow.
And I had to go buy a whole new router. Damn, I would have hit TP twice on if I'd have held this trade. I was long at 461.
Stop filled.
Damn, 100-point trade like that.
Yeah, I wish I would have held too. I took profit too.
Well,
let's see. Share. There's my share. There's my ping pong.
no, but I'm not even trying to I'm dead ass serious. I apologize that I wasn't able to show how the stop works.
My bad for making money, guys. If any of y'all want to view my screen real quick, I'll show you. I have this.
Put mine down. I'll see what you're talking about. Let's go.
I got this on my Tradeovate. I have a imbalance indicator. It shows me where the most volume is on the gaps and shit.
Mm-hmm.
This is where I went long. We broke through this fair value gap and we ate up all the volume.
Fire.
We created this little imbalance on this candle. Pretty much it's like a delta imbalance, buyer sellers imbalance. Went long right there. Y'all didn't see it, but there was a line here on this one, right above these two that we never tapped. That was the first take profit. There was one here that we had already tapped originally, so I didn't care about that one. And then this is the one that's untapped as well. You can kind of see where it is. You'll see a little pop of volume, just a little bit. But that was my second TP. See how we ate up like all this right here? We tapped this one a couple times and then fell. I wouldn't even look at this as a level. Look, boom.
Martin
Damn.
in the building.
TP2 hit,
Morning, family.
which we just got back to
Yo.
Hey.
London Law the building.
What it do, what it do.
Trade. 462, 120 point trade.
Damn.
Yeah.
What a clean day.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Relatively, yeah. Now if we start falling back again, I'll look at these levels here. Bang, bang, bang.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't quite get up here, so we might pop again. But we're back to London low. You do that, or straight back here.
Clean ass day.
Keep it coming.
Yeah, I gotta say though, this is fire. This is like
Like you see all this stacked. If anybody's still looking at my
everybody making bread. Everybody doing their thing.
screen, that shit is just in delta imbalance from the
Fucking
fall.
beautiful. Mm.
Let's see if we get back to it. Wait, I loaded. Didn't I load? What the hell was wrong with my damn charts? There you go. Lou,
Yes, sir.
that one trade right there.
Which one?
Look at the bottom. Look at my screen.
Oh, let me go back on Zoom. Let me see. Boom.
One
What's
trade,
that?
3 micros. That was
That's
the bounce
clean.
that I got. One fucking three, only 3. Full position is
Let's
5.
go. That's all. That's all we need.
One and done.
That's all we need, man. We don't need to do nothing else, bro.
That right
That's
there
all
is
we need, man.
plenty. I can buy coach to
That's
Boston.
all we need.
I'm gonna fly.
Let's
I'm gonna
go.
fly first class to Boston to get the algo.
First class.
First class.
I'm coming back to Miami. What you doing?
Copy that. Flying standby. Flying standby on the way back.
Let's go.
Am I still sharing?
I think so.
It doesn't say that I'm
Okay.
sharing though.
I'm seeing your screen right now.
Yeah, I got it. It's not. I was looking for the. Sometimes it throws it into my other screen, and it's like a little. It's like real small. So it's in like my tabs area, and I couldn't see it.
It just
Alright.
continues to take trades.
Yeah.
It just entered another one.
Well, these are
long
payout
561, exit 583.
These are payout eligible,
Let's go.
but I'll keep trading a little bit longer. Build up a couple more days. Don't forget Papa Powell talk today. Theo Powell.
1220. Yes, sir.
I'm still here watching.
New highs or new lows?
It ain't new highs, that's for sure. Not with Powell coming in and into the building. Powell, it's like I've been waiting for this shit. He want to run his. He want to talk that shit. Okay, he gonna come out. No rate cuts. Blah 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 blah.
Right.
He gonna come in and fuck the whole market up. If we did fall though, low key, like if we really fell, 289.25 would be my next area of interest. 289 and 230. I'm sorry, 203. Those would be my next areas, but I doubt it. Push 601 and 666.
Damn, that
If
shit.
we can break this London low.
Mm-hmm. Let me get my coffee. Everybody's good today? How did everybody do?
I'm on green on one account, red on another account.
Okay, let's go. Risky tax.
Seem like a no trade day right now.
No trade?
Yep.
Sir. No trade. Flat is
Hey,
also a
low key though,
position.
I like that though. Yo, we have. I mean, we have good PA. Like low key, we have a great PA, but to still not be like, nah, I'm good. Nah, that's
bro.
good. That's good psychological low right there.
Mm-hmm.
Man, trying, bro.
Oh, there's always another day. There's always another trade. This ain't gonna be the last time we see movement like this.
When was the last time, bro?
My market's open every day. Market open every day. All we got to do is keep the risk positioning intact and just be cool.
Yeah.
That's it.
I'm waiting to see right now what price is going to do. If it keep pushing up, I could probably take a long. The boy green for the day, though, for sure. I might just take a long right now.
Wait. Too long?
No, I might just
Oh, gotcha.
kind of just watching price, but
Oh, man. Oh. Wow. Market's only been open 30 minutes and we good money. Big Gucci. Um, But yeah, the what you call it? Verizon should be here between 12:30 and 2:30. So I think I should have some should have a lot of time just to do shit. Martin, you still in the building?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. How you doing, bro?
I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm about to get ready right now to burn off.
Oh, okay.
Are you about to leave?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, we'll probably chop around this little London low for a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm trying to see right now. I might take it long right now. Just
It's a nice
quick
little
little.
V-shaped recovery though.
Yeah.
You might take it to this high of like 38, 638.
38.
I like it. If let's see, let me go to a small time frame. If we did, we might pull back here.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm waiting to see because
Yeah,
I see.
we might pull back here. If we do push, we're easily gonna tap 642 possibly, and then if we keep going from there, I mean, we have a big volume node by the way at 64975. There's like a large volume spike.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I'll share it again real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. Martin, look at my screen real quick.
Yeah, I'm looking.
I didn't even see your message in
right
the
here?
chat. My fault. Yeah.
You see this one right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like boom, boom. These are like large volume areas, but this one and this one in particular.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting. That top that you just pointed out. I wanted to see if price could like remain above it, above that little area right there. That line right there.
Yeah,
And then
these are just delta imbalances.
but I see that pullback, bro.
Yeah, it might go, and then but yeah, we're going straight here.
Hey, how you get that volume thing?
It's on Tradeovate. Or
Okay.
right here. This.
Huh? Yeah.
This is just like a session volume profile.
Yeah, they got that on Ninja as well.
Yeah, they got it on a bunch of them. What is it?
Mm-hmm.
What is this right here?
What is it called?
This is just the volume that Tradeovate throws on there automatically, but it's like a volume profile. This one right here.
No, but I'm saying like what's the specific name? Like what do they call it?
It's just on the chart. Like it's just the volume on the chart that it.
Oh, it's not even like an indicator that you added. It's just
no. This they put this on there automatically, but this is the
got
same
it.
as
Okay.
I mean, if you're on Trading View, it's like session profile sessions. I'll tell you right now.
Is it fixed range?
It's like a volume profile, yeah.
Okay.
It's not a fixed range.
There's fixed range profile, but that one's more for like you would measure your own area.
Right. Yeah.
You would snap your high and your low, and it would give you the volume in that range. This one's like sessions. Fuck is it at? Volume session. I know it's session something.
Can you try to click on it and see if it?
Like this right here?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't do anything. If I have to go into right here, daily volume profile. There we go. That's all it is.
Daily volume profile. Okay.
All right. So yeah, we held this area. So if we can get back up, we'll kind of just hanging on to it. That little imbalance.
That's coffee. Yeah. Yo, we really got a good ass group of traders.
It cold, man.
So we got a little area here too, Martin. Right here too.
Oh yeah, I see.
If we pull back, we'll probably come down to this little 568 area. Did you see like these little spikes? Like you got one right here. Like did you see these little high volume spikes? just high. I kind of look for those. You see how like this little low area right here, we fell through it and then pushed right through it
Yeah.
real fast. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the place, huh? I'm trying to find that little thing, but I can't find it.
On
I
trade
don't
on
think. I don't
Tradevate.
think. Nah, I don't got. Yeah, I don't have a trade.
Let's see on.
Probably Ninja, but no, I was using
Uh,
Project X right now.
I'll tell you right now. I know there's an indicator for it because I've seen it before. Hold on, let me go search it. Um, there's one on.
Oh, bro, look at that! Yeah, that pullback was nice.
Mhm.
That was that.
There's one on TradingView. It's called Session Volume Profile. It's like a technical. It's on under the technicals area, but it's not as detailed as that one.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah,
The fixed range is not bad. I mean, you can still draw your high and your low from last night to the low to like the high we had last night at Asia
yeah.
down to the low. Now, if you just snap your high and low, it'll still give you the same thing.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Let me try it out real quick for you. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. The volume one is not bad either. The fixed, it's all right. Nothing crazy. That's why I like having this one up.
Mm-hmm.
And I trade on here anyway.
Market is just moving beautifully. What a nice V shape. What a nice V shape. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Hey, who played that Battlefield 6 yet?
Ooh.
I ain't played it.
Battlefield 6?
I have not. I have not. I've seen some previews of it. It should look good, but I have not played it.
Yeah, me neither. I seen some previews. That shit look fire as hell.
Yeah.
Here soon, I'm gonna get me a PlayStation 5. I think I'm gonna get back onto live and play COD on multiplayer and GTA.
Anybody played Schedule One?
What is it?
Schedule One.
What's that about, man?
It's about a little drug dealer.
Schedule 1?
Schedule One, yeah.
Does he look like a Roblox character, kind of?
And he looked like a cartoon character, yeah.
Similar video game developed. I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah, Schedule One, bro. That shit's funny, bro. You become like a little drug dealer. You guys sell. You grow bud and all type of shit. I think they're about to add like mushrooms to it.
Kind of like GTA.
Kinda, yeah. It's a small little map. It's like I think I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's like an early release, and they're like developing as it goes. You know, they're adding new shit and making the map bigger, and you gotta get clientele and all type of fucking shit. It's funny, bro.
Like a beta.
Yeah, kind of like yeah,
It sounds like an entrepreneurial type game.
entrepreneur. Yeah,
Yeah, you playing that game?
I played it, bro. It's just funny, bro.
Let me check this out.
You mix all type of shit. You go to a little store, like you buy like a little like the seeds from this dealer, right?
Order
And then you
cancelled.
could go to the store and buy like I don't know, like so let's say example, bro, they got like a banana, right? And then you got a
Mm-hmm.
machine that mixes the seed or the bud with the banana, and you make a specific type of bud, like a hybrid or some shit like that. It's just funny, bro.
What system is it for?
It's for Steam.
It's for what?
Steam for PC.
Oh, Steam. Got it.
Yeah. Well, I found it on Steam. I don't know if they have it like I know these come into like console for sure, bro.
Mhm.
Hold on.
Is that like what is Steam? Like a computer?
Oh yeah. It's a
Oh, okay.
program. Yeah,
Okay.
it's a platform like where
PC.
you like where you get the games and stuff.
Okay.
Boom,
Give us a
Martin.
little push.
Straight to it.
A little push.
These could be your next levels. If you're still trailing anybody in longs, you'll trail at these
I ain't
levels.
gonna lie, bro. Shoot, we still got that unmitigated fair value gap that created up there around the 840 that joint can get to.
We got that engulfing pen on the 30-minute too.
I'm sad I didn't hold the damn trade. Bro, I was
Yeah, I
in
had took a long earlier at the bottom, but
I
I
was on
didn't
and I was
like
on a
now. I
30
don't know.
second. I was on a 30 second when I took that trade.
30
I,
second time chart.
I was in right here. This is a 30 second. I was in right here.
Uh,
I'm a degenerate.
Yeah. Yo, y'all are funny as shit.
A time frame is a time frame, dog.
Hey, bro. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, come on, dog. Oh, that's my entry. Oh my god.
Ain't it?
yeah, nah, for real.
That's funny.
Ain't it Auntie that loves the 30-second? I think.
Yeah, that always
Man,
she
yeah,
probably the
that
5 seconds.
36.
You know that crackhead time frame.
All right. If you're still, like I said, if you're still trailing, you got some. These are your levels.
Oh man, I'm fucking dead.
God. Nah,
You gotta
it's
have a
been-
fucking crazy ass skill to hit that 5 second time frame, bro.
Hey,
'cause-
yo, let's see. Let me look.
you literally need to have an algo for that.
I got you. Custom time.
Oh
you
shit.
gotta be an algo for that shit.
Second. 5.
Take some Adderall.
Right.
Yeah.
Look at
Pop
look.
an Adderall right quick.
Yo.
Martin, it's still shit is still clean.
It's still clean.
Look at that.
Yeah, I might put an algo on a 5 second chart.
Yo,
That's
that is
Yeah.
not financial advice.
I thought you told me to do it. You just told me to do it.
All right. Tap it. There's the first tap. Tell you about these right here sometimes come in clutch.
Mm. Oh, that was the entry right there. Look, boom. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice.
Man. Long target. Man, today was a good day.
Oh yeah.
Today was a good day. It started off nice, 1 minute ORB clean, and then we just back to the upside, right?
Oh, that strategy's so cold, yo.
Clean, 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 green, and mean.
Mm-hmm.
And if you do it right, you can get in between.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Count the green, get in between.
Look, there's second one.
Put a green on them.
Papa, come on, Baba.
Oh,
Look at that. This is just flying.
So what did y'all see on the bottom to make y'all want to buy that joint?
hey, y'all see my screen?
So the bottom that we had today was
Oh, we trailing.
we were in
Crazy,
the opening gap that we had, that 300-point opening gap.
Yeah.
And then I don't know if you trade breaker blocks. So you're on the 1 minute.
$600 clean.
Beautiful.
Oh, okay.
And you see this low that we had right here?
Let's go, bro. Good shit.
See that
Yeah.
low that we had?
Yeah.
Over here, I know that there was a big whale that came in around 4:30 on Friday that dumped this at 4:50 p.m. Like, we can't trade this. That's just whales, right? Well, I traded the breaker block. So like, yo, we go through this. It's gonna be nasty. This little zone right here, draw a big box around it and extend it. You're gonna see that we tapped this right here. See that low? We tapped that and we just ripped.
And yeah.
That's all it was.
Okay.
Also,
Okay.
a lot of inversion fair value gap right here.
Yeah.
I mean, it all kind of lines up these lows. But that's where I had started to look for longs.
Hey,
A
Luke.
little confluence point. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Bro, look at that shit, Martin. Boy, just come on, just tap it. Just tap it.
Bro, it's flying. Are you still
Damn,
getting
you
into
telling me I had a 300-point trade? Fuck my life.
Yeah, this shit clean, bro. Nice trade, y'all.
150 on the 6 top 1 accounts, the instant fundings. 226 on those my fundeds. I think I'm up 1,500 on Top Step. I let those rip.
You said you got instant funding ones.
Yeah, top 1. I got that. I'll show you right
how
here.
was that? You fuck with
I've
it?
gotten payouts from top 1 before. I've gotten a few of them actually.
Yeah.
These are all the accounts that I have right now.
Hell
These
yeah, bro.
are all funded, and I'm working on these next.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, just build leverage. But yeah, I was with top 1 when they first came out. I had the 150Ks, and I took 2 payouts from them.
Boy took a 10K payout or something, right?
First one, no, 13K. Well, because they do like a 80-20 split. 80-20 split. So it's like 13K.
Okay. Yes, sir.
That sounds beautiful, bro.
Yes,
Oh
sir.
god. That's
and
what's
then I,
up. So,
and then I blew him.
hey, ain't that really how it happens?
That's how it go.
Yeah, well, I went kind of OD on them because when you take a payout, they lock your accounts until they approve it. And I
Right.
think it took them. I did it. I think I did it Wednesday
Mm-hmm.
or Thursday is when I did the request. I got the payout like the next Wednesday, and they lock your accounts the whole time.
The whole week, yeah.
So I went degenerate mode when they opened it back up.
It was like finally.
And I was like, yo, I was max position sizing, and I think I blew them in like 3 days.
Oh,
Man, God.
Yeah, bro. They make you make like they add on percentage. So like it was 6% of your balance, right? So I had to make like what was it like 10? I had to make a lot.
oh, they make
And
it
then,
even more difficult once you
yeah, and then they increase
yeah.
it. So it's like it's 6%, and then it goes to 5% of your total balance. Then it goes to after you take another payout, it's 4% of your total balance. It's not of the original 150.
Damn.
Yeah,
Is that
so
the same way with Apex?
Nah.
nah.
With Apex. Well, I know you said you got static accounts, so it might be.
Yeah.
I don't know specifically how the static account rules go, but I know for
Yeah.
the intraday, basically you gotta go meet. You have to go the amount of drawdown you have. You have your account balance has to be that plus 100. Then you can take out a minimum of $500. But in order to even qualify, you gotta have at least 8 trading days. 5 of those days gotta be $50 or more, and there's a
Yeah.
30% consistency rule. So once you do all those, you're good. The hardest
Yeah.
part is getting to that first payout. Once you get to that first payout, smooth sailing.
And bro, I remember I got to
Smooth
my first payout
sailing.
one time. I got
Huh?
to my first pay. I said I got to my first payout one time. They
Mm-hmm.
must have denied it because the 30% rule. Ah, bro, I tilted, bro.
Damn.
I tilted, bro. After that, I tilted, and that motherfucker, yeah, ceased to
Yeah.
exist.
I'll tell you right now, if you follow their rules, you approved.
Yeah, he paid.
I'll
Yeah,
tell you right now. But again, I think we spoke about this a bunch of times. I don't think you were on the call, but all of us we were commenting on like which firms is best ones and whatnot. And I
yeah,
think we all came to the conclusion that basically all the firms they're good for what they have, right?
yeah,
Like Apex, we all know Apex. Everyone says they're habitual deniers. Everyone, like no, I'm not talking about us. I'm saying in general.
yeah.
People complain about their rules and whatnot, but it's like, damn, they giving you 20 accounts.
Man,
If you
bro,
got
it's
in
a
there
money.
cheap, you pay you do what you need to do in 20 accounts, bro.
Yeah.
You chilling.
I trust believe if I give you money to trade, I'm gonna have a shit ton of rules too.
That's what I'm saying. And then there are other firms
Yeah,
where it's like
shit.
you can only have 3 accounts, but there isn't really that many rules. And it's like,
Yeah,
okay, cool, but you only got 3 accounts. So it's like, I mean, it's a trade off. At the end of the day, I just see it as a trade off, and I think it depends on your trading style. Like if you trade a certain type of way, the rules won't really matter. They won't really affect how you get paid. You know what I'm saying? Like there are traders that like to hold trades for a very long time. Intraday trail and drawdown might get you. There are
see, so
traders who, you know what
that's
I'm
me,
saying?
bro. So that's why I had to go to the static account because that drawdown really fucked me because I was seeing that I'm blowing accounts, but I'm 2,000 in profit. You know what I'm saying? Like I'd be blowing accounts, but I'm in profit. You know what I mean? So I'm like, well, damn, because I don't like to cut off my trades early. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather just let them drinks hit TP. You know what I'm saying? Because if I have to
Yeah.
keep cutting my trades early, just the way that I trade, you know what I'm saying? In the long run, if I'm taking losses, those losses are going to be more than my winners because I'm only taking a little bit off the top, so it doesn't affect me in the drawdown. You know what I'm saying? So that was fucking me up psychology wise, for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Now since I got the static account, I mean, shoot, that shit been great.
Yeah.
That shit been great because to be honest, as long as I'm not already at a TP where I know myself, I personally should have taken profit. You know what I'm saying? If I'm in a floater, you know what I'm saying, and if that joker comes and hits me break even, I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? Like I ain't got no worries with that. I mean, it is what it is because it'll hit TP more than none. But those times that it do break even, I would like for it to not count against me. You know what I'm saying? Considering I technically didn't lose no money. But
Yeah, man.
that's
That's
where it was getting me at.
That's what it is. So yeah, if the trail, if you know, I mean, and there are other firms too where you know, I mean, again, there's firms. There are firms that if you trade a specific type of way, it better suits you. So that's how. And then even you got firms like even TPT in the
Hmm.
eval, their end of day drawdown. But in the pro account, it's intraday trail and drawdown. So that's the pro account is the sim funded, and then you got Pro Plus, which is live brokerage account. That's end of day drawdown. So, people are
Real
like,
question,
oh,
bro.
you know what I'm
How,
saying? That's swag, blah
how
blah
y'all be
blah.
keeping up with all these accounts, man?
What you mean, keep like with the rules or just like trading them?
Oh shit! All together, hell, the rules. Because I mean, do you only trade with Apex, or you got accounts with
Nah,
other prop firms too?
I'm spread out over.
You know what I'm
My
saying?
accounts are
So
all over the place.
okay, so yeah, so with all your accounts with Apex plus your accounts with the other prop firms and those other rules, like how you manage it though? Like it don't be a lot sometimes, or what?
I mean, yeah, it's always gonna be a lot.
Yeah,
It's a lot of money at risk. It's a lot of equity at risk in these accounts. Every time. Like even right now, like I'm a little nervous. Even that's why I didn't trade all my Apexes today. I only traded two PAs today. Of the 20, I only traded two Apex PAs. I only traded one of my TPT accounts, but and then one of my other Bulenoxes. But I only did that just because I'm having internet issues right now. So like
yeah,
even the other day, I posted a screenshot so y'all can see. Like they said in the past 48 hours, I had 7 outages.
that's fucking crazy.
So
Yeah,
like I can't afford to be in a trade and it then the internet's out. You know what I'm
yeah.
saying?
So
Because
you ain't even
you know what I'm
nervous
saying?
because of the market; it's because your internet.
Well, both. I'm
Okay.
nervous every time I put a trade on. That's never
Yeah,
gonna go away from me.
yeah,
But I
yeah.
just know like I'm nervous, but I can manage it well because I've seen what happens after losses where if I just continue to follow the strategy, it ends up working out. Like the losses, they make me nervous and they're annoying, but it's part of the game. And I still get it that okay, even if I take a loss, if the loss is not large and I still got most of my drawdown or all of my drawdown, I'm good. Like I'm okay because my losses aren't large. That's the
Yeah,
thing. Like with my trading style. So like I can be up in a trade a good amount, and then if it comes back down and hits my full loss, then I'm still good because it only ate into my trailing drawdown by a tiny bit, as
yeah.
opposed to someone
Makes
else
sense.
who they would have a they would be in profit a lot, and then if they go hit their full loss, that's a big hit
That's
to
a
their
big jump.
drawdown.
That's like double.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
And then for me though, but to answer the other question in terms of like how do I manage with all these accounts?
yeah,
Well, for me, it's like again, I trade small. I trade very small. Like I trade very 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 small. So if I go on like a 5 day losing streak, which
yeah,
I've never gone on a 5 day losing streak, like that's just
yeah.
my data tells me that doesn't happen.
That's not gonna
So
happen. Like,
that's not gonna happen. So if that does happen though, I know I'm still gonna be good.
yeah,
And I'm not going for big ass days, right? Like that's me. I'm not going for big ass days relative to like a lot of other people I be seeing. Like, and I don't even be comparing
obviously.
myself. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
But yeah, nah, man, it's trading a lot of accounts because I mean, you got to think like I'm 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 over 50 funded accounts.
that's dope. Hell
Like
yeah, safety, bro.
I'm like 50. I honestly I don't like I'm it's a lot. So
My boy just got money
Wait,
everywhere.
Lou, all time or you have current 50?
current. Current.
Family,
Well,
fam leaves
actually,
the chat.
well,
Fam left the group.
nah. So actually, not. Wait, hold on. That's a 50. I'm only
Nah.
trading.
Don't try to make it sound good now.
No, I only got like I only got like 20.
It's already, bro. I'm already humble.
I got 20 accounts. So I got 20 Apexes and a couple Bulanox, you know what I'm saying? But
I
yeah, nah, it's
I put it
put
like
it
this: if you can pass Apex accounts, you can pass anything.
exactly.
It's
Those are the hardest
Right there,
ones.
bro. That mic right there is the right there, bro. That is the answer.
about
Like
Steve are separate. I need to proceed to the
Apex,
text. You said
yeah,
separate, right? Yes, sir.
Apex is the most difficult firm. Apex has the most stringent rules. If you are good on, if you can get accounts to pay out on Apex, you are good everywhere.
I've
You're,
passed a lot of Apex points. I ain't gonna lie.
well, passing them and then getting them
Appreciate
to
you,
pay
bro.
out is another thing.
Man,
Because
bro,
the
that's the only
evals have
thing.
no rules. The
Yeah,
payout policy. If you are a person who have gotten approved from Apex, you can get approved anywhere.
yeah. I ain't get approved yet, man. I ain't get approved yet.
You know what I'm saying? So that's why for me, like it's end of day drawdown, bro. I'm end of day drawdown is the easiest thing in the world, especially with how I trade. Like it it's end of day drawdown, bro. That's crazy. I'm used to I'm a bona fide scalper. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. See,
So
yeah, see,
that's what
that's
it
the
is.
thing though, because I also do feel like with this drawdown rules, like with scalpers, you know what I'm saying? It really doesn't affect them as much because they're already looking, you know what I'm saying, to take money off the top anyway. You know what I mean? Like whenever I
Hmm.
be intraday trading, bro, I'm looking at my 4 hours for my TPs. You know what I mean? So it's like it's gonna fluctuate, you know what I mean? So I could be up 500, then down 200 before I go and make 1,000. You know what I mean? But then, like, if it fluctuates and I make up, and once it finally get to 1,000, I go back up to my back office and see I'm still down freaking 500. You know what I mean? So that's where it be
Yeah.
killing me at. You know what I mean? That's really where it be killing me at. But with the static account now, where I can just let my trade breathe, I'll be good.
Yeah. See, what I'll say is though too is um these Apex rules definitely made me tighten up all my trading abilities just because I'm at a point now where like I know you said that's your trading style where you're up a certain amount and like for me, there's
I
no
just need one
way.
of the water bottles out there,
Yeah,
bro.
there's no
Okay,
way for
Isaac,
me
Pure Life.
to
Pure Life. Pure Life.
be up $1,000 and that trade is a loss.
No, see, yeah, that can't happen. But I'm saying, if it's up $1,000, right? And if I don't take the thousand, maybe I got like appreciate it, brother. Maybe I got like 500 locked in. You know what I'm saying? Because my TP could be 1,500, 2,000, or something like that. Then if it comes back and hits me with my take profit and I still make money, then I still lost money. That's what be fucking me up. Because I
Yeah.
can hold my trade, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can really hold my trade for a long ass time until it gets to my final TP. That's why I said if it's not at TP1 and if it comes back and break even, then I'm cool on that. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather have no money made than money lost. You know what I'm saying? But if I come back and hit break even and I still lost my money, I'd be like, God damn.
I I don't be holding trades. I'll tell you that.
Yeah,
I,
nah, I feel that.
I'm in a
I feel
trade
that.
at a target. I gotta stop because also too trails when my
Hold the
shit be
runners.
trailing
Hold the
out,
runners. Always
it be
hold the runners.
errors. I be getting errors. What do you say, Mike?
Always hold the runners.
Yeah, I got strategies for those, but my main go to is I'm getting that bread and I'm out.
Like my entry was way down there. When we got to that original TP is 608, I would have scaled out most, and I would have left the runners, and I would have given like a 50% stop loss.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because see,
See,
for
I'm not
me,
good at that. I'm
my
not gonna
data
lie.
says that like when I look at all my data, and when I look at how I used to like approach things with the trails and having runners and whatnot, specifically for me though, my data said that my data showed better results when I took my targets as opposed to leaving runners. That's what my data told me. But I know everyone else has their own different data. Maybe someone else's data says take your partials and then keep a runner. And for me, my data said trade between this time and this time, take your targets, be done for the day. Other traders say, hey, you got a small ass stop, take some TPs, take some partials, and then let some runners, and then they have great results also. So, and that's the thing about trading. It's so beautiful
Man,
that
beautiful as
we
hell.
can, many people, we all can look at the market so different. Again, I think Rose said in the chat yesterday. She said yesterday was choppy. She saw it choppy. We saw it clean, but they're both true.
Yeah, real shit.
Like she's not wrong and I'm not wrong. It's just
Real shit.
it's both true. Well, that makes the market very beautiful. Like
Yo,
that's
Anthony,
the beautiful thing. That's the beautiful thing about it.
yo, Ant,
Yeah.
you have an issue with like over trading?
Who, me?
Yeah,
So I wouldn't
or trading
say
like too much Asia or something like that.
no. So honestly, bro, I've gotten way better with my trading. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, the whole thing that was my problem was the um the drawdown. Now, this recent problem that I had with my live account, that was because I had some personal issues going on in my actual life to where I had to really draw out like a lot of bread in my account, you know what I'm saying, to
Yeah.
be able to take care of it. But I was doing really good, you know what I'm saying? So I just kind of had the wrong mindset with it. So I was like, okay, I had to take out all this bread. That's cool. I'm just going to make it back in the market. So that kind of led me into a little bit of over trading. I'm not gonna lie, because there was days that I would tell myself there's nothing to trade and then still end up trading and then taking a loss that for one I didn't need to take. And then sometimes it would be bigger than what I even was originally gonna take. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
there was like a week of that where I was like, it was bad, bro. Yeah, it was
All right.
bad.
So
Not gonna lie.
I told the group this before in past traders. So there's this app right here called Freedom. It's called the Freedom app.
Yo, Mike, you know what's so funny?
Uh,
I'm in a Discord with some people, bro.
love this shit, don't they?
I know you mentioned the Freedom app. Yo, they had been mentioning that app for mad long, but I never
Yeah.
paid attention to it until you said it.
I've had this for a while. So
Bro,
Anthony,
that's so crazy. Good
you can
shit,
come
bro.
in here and you can link it with your phone, right? I think I paid like $20 for like the
A
year.
Freedom app?
Yeah, so it's called Freedom. It
Okay.
links to it's like a login, right? So you download it to your computer and your phone, right? So I got both.
Yeah.
I can go in and I can do a block list, right? I can go in here and you have to do it on your phone too. I can block all the websites that are trading, and then on my apps I can block like TradeAway, Top Step X. I can block.
Bro, see, I've actually been looking for something like that.
Yeah,
Because
this is what it
honestly,
is.
I be on my phone too much any damn way to
You got to
where, you know what I mean? So all
your
around,
brain a break. So this right here,
wow.
I'll lock anything that has to do with trading view, all
Yeah.
that shit. I'll lock it. That way I can't
Robinhood,
even
all
look
that.
at the market. And
Yeah.
I set it up to where I
See,
can what recurring sessions, it'll automatically lock all the time on certain days, certain times. You can have it to where you can start now, lock it for the next 7 hours. You can even there's even a setting on here where like you can lock the internet.
yeah, see, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to check that out, bro. Because
Like
I've
you can lock
actually been
social
looking for
media.
something like that. Because
It
that would
gives
have
you all
actually
this.
helped me a lot. You know what I'm saying?
So
Because
fire.
you said what, bro?
I said that's so fire.
Yeah, you
Man,
gotta give
bro,
you a
it
break.
really is.
Like when
It
you
really
because
is.
we all do it. You get bored at night, some shit. Let me go look at trading view real quick.
Order filled.
Man, bro. And see, that's what was happening too, because I was telling myself, when you see something that you don't see. You know what I'm saying? And you tell
You
yourself, okay,
want to see
today's
it.
not going to really be a trading day. You know what I'm
Yep.
saying? And then you continuously looking at the market after you said it wasn't going to be a trading day. Then you done fucking, you done told yourself some bullshit. You said what, bro?
It's like, man, maybe I can just scalp a couple points. That would hurt. Then you're like,
Man, come on, bro. Man,
Man,
start digging yourself in a hole, man.
now you 10 minis deep and your stop loss is at the high
Ah,
day.
bro.
Ah, shit.
Bro, what? That
Ah,
shit is terrible.
yeah, that's the worst.
Yeah, man. So yeah, I actually do have been looking for something like that also, bro, because that would have helped me a lot of days. You know what I'm saying? Whenever because as soon as I tell myself there's nothing to trade, that's my first instinct. You know what I'm saying? Going back against it is literally just going against my bias. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I say there's nothing to trade, I would lock that fucking app in and just lock myself out because there ain't even no point in looking at nothing. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of times whenever I look at the market, I could tell if the market has a possibility of doing something within 10 seconds of me just looking at it. I'm just looking at for a 4 hour, 1 hour, just a higher time frame fair value gap that has been ranging that I can meet up with the 618. I can
Also,
spot that in 10 seconds, bro. If I don't see that,
so
then shit, I'm moving on to the next one.
what I would say is this to people that did not, this is not to you, but this is just to people in general who who be fucking up accounts. So
Man, me.
I was
Yeah.
talking to somebody the other day and they was like, I was like, yo, you like your job? And they was like, nah, I don't like my job. I was like, well, you must like your job. They was like, why you say that? I was like, because you keep making it so that you have to work there.
Man, come on, bro.
And they was like, damn. I was like, yeah, bro, if you really want freedom, you gotta be disciplined. Like you gotta
Yeah,
it's a choice. Like whatever you're not changing, you're choosing. So
man,
you're
bro.
you're you're choosing to continue to work at this job because
Of your discipline.
because of the discipline thing. I said if you
It's
don't want to work there, be this market, the, the the markets are moving trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars around every day.
man,
Even on a
bro.
half day, there are trillions of dollars being moved around. And if you can't get yourself to just be disciplined and follow a strategy that you have seen that the edge is there and it works, if you can't follow that shit, that means you must like your job. You must love your
Man,
job.
what?
Just love it.
Hey, and you know what's even worse about that is whenever you can actually read the market. That ain't nothing worse than somebody that can actually read the market but still can't follow their plan. You know what
That's
I'm
most
saying?
people. That's
And
95%
bro,
of
hey, I'm not
traders.
gonna really, I'm not gonna cap that's really big be me sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not gonna lie, I could call the market really fucking good. You know what I'm saying? But it's like just goes back to sometimes when I tell myself not to do something, I just need to listen to myself. You know what I mean? And that's really what it been. Like there was a month that I calculated, I made probably like $3,500, you know what I'm saying, 1 month. But it was like I calculated to like damn near a band, bro, that I could have saved if I would have just listened to myself from the beginning of the morning. You know what I'm
Have you
saying? Whenever
have you listened to the book? Have you watched or not watched? Have you read the book Trading in
no,
the Zone?
no. I cut you up there. I ain't read no book.
Bro, go read that book, bro. I'm telling you right now, go read that book.
Yeah.
Go read that book, bro. I tell you, go read that
I
book.
hear it all the time in a lot of podcasts.
Yeah, if you go read that book, it'll put a lot of things in perspective on the mindset of trading. Like for me, I personally have already listened to that book like 8 times. And every single time I listen to that book is another
Oh,
aha
they got an
moment.
audio book?
Yeah, there's audio for it.
See,
And
yeah,
then
that's what
but then I bought the book The Discipline Trader and I
yeah.
actually read that book. I have the hardcover. I have the hard copy. I read that book and it it just makes it makes so much sense.
I was like, it makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, it makes so much sense as to why a lot of people don't do well in this game, because what the issue I find when I talk to a lot of people that trade that aren't very profitable yet is, and this is not at anyone, this is in general. They think that they know exactly what the market is going to do, and what happens is they they feel a sense of betrayal when something doesn't go their way. That is one of the main issues I find with a lot of situations. People, they'll read the market, they'll think that they know exactly what the market's going to do, and you need to put in perspective that, number one, most people are trading
Probabilities.
sim accounts. It's paper. Number two, there are hedge fund managers and there are these big investment banks and big money management funds and whatnot that they're the ones that are moving the market. And any one of them with that capital can get on a call their broker, call whoever, and make a move suddenly. And so for me, I just have always adopted the methodology or in the psychology of the market can and will do anything at any time. Right now, the market can drop 500 points. So I need to be position size according to that. Like the market at any time can go and drop 400, 500 points out of nowhere. And you'll probably figure out the reason 10 minutes later. But at the
Sure.
end of the day, that can happen. So when people size into positions and whatnot, and they assume that the market's not going to hit their stop or whatever, that's their that's them showing that they think they know what every single trader in the world is going to do, and not no one knows. I do not know what Ray Dalio is going to do right now in this moment at 10:54 and 3 seconds. I do not know what Ray Dalio is doing. I do not know what these guys are doing. I who knows? You know what I'm saying? I do not know what Ken Griffin is doing from Citadel Securities. I do not know what he's doing. You know what I'm saying? Like who nobody knows. Like I'm not sure um what Pershing Square Capital is gonna do. I don't know what move they're gonna make. Bill Ackman, who knows? So whenever we approach the market and we say, "Oh, we know the market's gonna do X," or "We know the market's gonna do Y," like already we're coming to the market with with the with the with an idea and a methodology that is not I would say is not probably the best for you. So that's why
Sure.
I come into the market with a data approach. Like for me, I consider myself a quant. I go into a trade based on data. My target should be here and my stop should be here, and this is what I'm going to do. And these data points showed me how I should do it, like XYZ. And as opposed to me, I know the market is going to do this. So because I don't know, I do not know. Nobody knows. And again, I'll give the same example. There was a if once you read that Trading in the Zone book, there's a part in the book. There's a part in the book where it says there's a dude. There's an I guess he's like trying to interview for a position, and I guess they're talking about he's looking at a chart, right? And I guess he's looking at a chart and he drew some trend lines. He drew some trend lines on the chart, and he's showing the CEO or the founder of this company that he's trying to work for. He's showing the CEO like, hey, look at this market right here. That's hitting this trend line. So when it comes down to this line here, it's gonna bounce. And when and so it came down to the line, then it bounced, and then it was coming back down to the line. And he was like, look, it's gonna come down to that line again, and it's gonna bounce again. And so the manager of the funds was like, okay, it's gonna bounce right here. Okay. And then the dude interviewing was like, yeah, look, what it's gonna bounce. So then the dude gets on a call and he calls his broker. He's like, yo, sell 1,000 bushels. And all you see is the market just dump.
Yeah.
And then And then the manager was like, "Yeah, what you just said is bullshit. Like that's some bullshit. like
Yeah,
like your trend line, your imaginary trend line that you're drawing ain't shit. Like it's not gonna do anything. Like until it's not gonna do anything. You do not know what's gonna happen. So do not say you know what's gonna happen because at the end of the
yeah,
day, when you think you know what's gonna happen, you're essentially saying that you know what every single hedge fund manager in the world is thinking and what they're gonna do. Now,
that's gonna also fuck you up because you're gonna keep on adding positions to a losing trade.
there you go. And then now, that's not to say that someone's style of trading is not working. Like,
Yeah,
yes, maybe if a market goes to a certain spot and you in your head you're like, oh, it's gonna go here, it's gonna go here, it's gonna go here. That's not to say that that won't happen, but it's a different mindset in knowing and saying like, I know this is gonna
probability.
happen, or there's a probability that this is gonna happen. Like, so me, I try to shift my mindset away from the knowing and more about the probabilities. Over in the past 7 out of 10 times this has happened. So let's see, I have a 70% chance of this. Okay. Entry here, stop here because I know the stop can get hit and I know I need to be protected here, and then target here because data says that is going to get this target. And now you wait and you sit and you live with the result.
Yeah,
Anything
real
other
shit.
than that doesn't make sense to me, at least.
Real
You see what I'm
shit.
saying? So
No, real shit.
that's my spiel in the morning. Like that's how I see the market. I see the
Yeah, real
market
shit.
as it is a
Probabilities.
probabilities. Is it's 100% probabilities. I do not. The again, we saw what happened on Friday. Market was chilling, 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 and then it dumped.
Mhm.
Some might say, oh, they came and whatever move that had to happen, they had to fill XYZ or had to do this or that. It- Nobody knew that was going to happen. Maybe there are some people that had inside
Yeah,
information about a Trump tweet or blah, blah, blah.
correct. Yeah, there sure was somebody who knew.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
But
hell no.
at the end of the day, most people didn't know. So that's how I approach the market.
Not real shit. Real shit. And I ain't gonna lie, I have gotten a lot better with that. You know what I mean? Because now, like back then, bro, I couldn't take a loss for shit. Like that is what used to be because I felt like before, this was a while ago, I felt like everything had to go my way. And I felt like if I did take a loss, then there was some reason why it was a loss instead of it just being what the market did. You know what I mean? So,
Bang.
yeah, bro,
That's it.
so now if I take a loss, bro, I don't even want to look at the market. You know what I'm saying? Because obviously it's not going my way. So for me to continue to add on a position, you know what I'm saying, would be fucking crazy. Or
All
just
all the losses is you were on the wrong side of probabilities.
wrong side of
That is it.
probabilities. That's
That
all
is
it
it.
is, bro.
And if you won, it's not that you were smart or anything. It was just you were on the right
Right?
side of
Yeah.
probabilities.
Yeah,
That's
real
it.
shit, bro. Real
That
shit.
is it. And the way you
And,
can really test that is if you trade for a certain number of time, take X
mhm,
amount of trades that are within your discipline, within your plan, and look at that data, right? And you want to give yourself a large enough sample size to actually and you don't want to take 5 trades and be like, oh, I won 4 out of 5, I'm 80%. But no, that's too
yeah,
small of a
yeah,
sample. Go
yeah,
take go take 100, 200. Go take a bunch of trades over a month, over a 2 month period. Go take trades during, go look at a strategy that has dynamic stop losses and targets through different types of periods. Look at how your
mhm,
strategy would have done in January, February. Go look at how it would have done during April's Trump tariff volatility. Go look at how it would have done during the market kind of slowing down in July. Go see how it fares against that. Maybe your strategy itself, the core strategy didn't change, but maybe the way you approach the volatility and the dynamic targets and stop losses, maybe those were adjusted. But
yeah.
go
And it
ahead and look
was,
at that, and then you can see, okay, I have an edge. Let me follow this because it's going to take me to the promised land.
and it's actually funny you say that, bro, because before this year, I would wait for the market to get to my area of interest and I would wait for a 30-minute to hour rejection. You know what I'm saying? Mind you, I'm looking at the 4 hours for my TP marks. You know what I'm saying? So I'm waiting for a 30-minute to hour rejection. After this year, you know what I'm saying? I've noticed that I was missing a lot of trades. You know what I'm saying? Because they would reject, but they wouldn't want to retest, or they would hit the area of interest on the hour with a wick or something and still not want to retest. So I wouldn't be able to get my entry. So I'm like, okay, my strategy is still working, but now I'm missing out on my entries, to where I had to tweak it to where now I'm literally looking at the same area of interest, same of everything, except now I'm just waiting on the 5 minute rejection. So that hour wick that I missed, you know what I'm saying? Well, it was a whole double top on the 5 minute with a retest, you know what I'm saying, at that same position, boom, target that, and now I got my whole move. You know what I'm saying? So I literally had to go from the 30 minute to hour to the 5 minute. You know what I'm saying? Just because market conditions was changing, and I just wouldn't be able to catch my same entries the way that I did if I would have just said, fuck it, I'm gonna just stay the same way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Just at the end of the day, we just gotta understand that this thing is very mental. Once you get because the strategy down, getting the strategy down is only like 1 or 2% of it.
Uh,
People might say, oh, I gotta put the headphones in. Shit. People might
oh,
say, strategy is 10%, 5%. It's
uh,
it really is like 1%.
I
Cause
was gonna say, with me, to be honest, bro, that bitch is in the single digits of percentile, because like, bro, and what's so fucked up is because, especially since I got TradeZilla and was actually like, I was on a cool 3 month run doing what I was supposed to do. My strategy is literally in the 70% win rates. You know what I'm saying? Until I went off of my plan and started going into my feelings. You know what I mean? And that bitch went from a 70 to like a 40% win rate. Like, bro.
yeah, well, it happens. We're human. At the end of the day, we can talk all this shit, we can say all this stuff, but at the end of the day, we are human, and people
Yeah.
we do fuck up. We do still blow accounts, like I do. I'm happy not as often. Um, haven't happened in a very long time, which I'm very thankful for. But at the end of the day, it's like we're still human. And even if we fuck up, is how quickly are we gonna get right back? That's always the main thing too. How quickly are we gonna get back to do what we need to do? And once you know what I'm saying, once you do that, then once you blow up an account, you come back and you just realize, okay, learn from it and just can move forward. That's all we really can do in this game too. We're not gonna be perfect. We can try to have our best executions, but at the end of the day, we're human. We're not robots. We still veer off. So, but that's the main thing. You got to just keep at it. And also, too, most people, man, that started trading, most people that I know that came in the game around COVID, they ain't here. They're not here.
Shit.
Hey, that's a fact. That's a
Most people
fact.
not here. Nope.
Bro,
Nope.
I ain't gonna lie, like with that, because I was a part of that academy shit. And I had a really big group, you know what I mean? And I still follow a lot of them, bro. And literally, let's say out of 100 people, bro, I am the only one that still trades.
Yeah.
Like dead ass. Me and the bro, Terrell, like literally the only ones out of those groups. Oh, and Serge, because you was in that Luke class, you know what I mean? Like, bro, it's crazy, man.
Yeah, man. It's part of the game.
It's shit really crazy when you really think about it.
Who's this now? Ooh. Yeah.
That's also niggas being built different too, man.
That's a fact.
All right, y'all. I'm out. Time for work.
Yeah,
Time for
yeah,
work.
bro.
Let's
I'm
get it.
gonna be pulling up to this house here soon, man. So be saying the same.
I'm fixing
That'll
to
be
head
easy.
out as well.
All right. I hope y'all enjoyed the little TED talk.
Hell yeah, bro. Good talk, man. Good talk.